Okay, let's put our cheddar cheese right on top of these babies. Today we're gonna make an epic grilled bacon cheeseburger. How'd I get all that in one sentence? Oh my goodness. You are going to love this recipe. You don't want to miss it. Now you want to be able to stick around and catch some of my helpful tips because I got lots of those to share. Okay, and please always let me know if you have any comments. Put them down there. I'd like to respond. You got any questions? Maybe you made an epic burger and we're going to share this information. Please do that. Also, please let us know if you like us. Hit that. You have to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of my other recipes. We've got just too much to share. So I'm Chef Tom McMillan, and here's how we do an epic grilled bacon cheeseburger. Okay, now I just want to show you all these ingredients because this is what makes it epic. I got this focaccia bread. Look at that. Isn't that delightful? That's going to be on our buns. Onions. We've got them in our little grill pan here. We're going to flavor those, and guess what we're going to flavor them with? Bacon, because we've rendered the bacon, and we've got the bacon grease. It's going to flavor the buns and the onions. Got some sliced tomatoes, got some nice leaf lettuce, cheddar cheese, and especially the meats. Not just a meat, we've got three. We've got veal, we got pork, and we've got beef. They're all ground up, and we're going to mix the three of those together to make an epic burger. All right, now let's go ahead and get this one started. I've got my bacon grease already rendered. So instead of putting butter on my buns, look what I'm putting on there. Just get that bacon on there. My mother, when I was young, would always have a can of bacon grease that she would render. Whenever she cooked bacon, she'd save the grease and use it for cooking. So that's where I got this idea from. It's just going ahead and putting it together, and I just know it's going to taste good. I mean, we know bacon tastes good, right? Okay, so we get that on there. And the last one, these are beautiful buns. Focaccia, lots of flavor in the buns, even more when we put the bacon grease on there and toasting them. Got some extra bacon grease left. Let's put some on our onions. That's going to go on the grill and cook up as well. Oh man, what you're talking about. Just get it on. All right, a little bit more. Okay, put it all in there. All right, here's our bacon. We slice our tomatoes, and we have our lettuce. You have to combine the three meats. I've got equal portions of all the meats. I'm going to combine them. Here's a little trick that I have, and that is I use a bowl full of water and put it on my hands, and this way the fat does not stick to my hands. And then we just combine them together. Combine, 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 make them happy. There's some fat in there. I like to do about 80-20%, because you do want some fat, because we all know fat tastes good, right? Okay, now we're going to divide it into fours, make them all equal, and then I'll wet my hands like this, and I'm going to roll. So here's how I roll. My thumb there, and then put it on the palm of my other hand, and just roll it just like this. So we're going to form it into a ball. We're going to smash those later when we get them on the grill. Round and round they go. And we're also going to season them. So you definitely want to be here for the whole video, because we got so many great ideas and tips to share. Okay, now we got to go to the grill and start cooking. Okay, we have our grill heated, got it warmed. I've got my onions back here in the pan. Let's put on the burgers. Let's push them down a little bit. These are gonna be delish. And while those are cooking, I've already have my buns with the bacon grease on them. So we're gonna toast our buns as well. And everything is just gonna be wonderful. All right, now You want to season your burgers. So to do that, I've got some salt and pepper. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt on my onions because I want them to have the sugar come naturally out of them and caramelize right there in the pan. Put our cover down and we'll let them cook for a little longer. Okay, let's put our cheddar cheese right on top of these babies. They get one and we'll get one. Let's close the grill and let them melt and we'll be in hamburger heaven. Wow, look at this big burger.
So good.
Yeah. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
I can't even put it in my mouth. Oh my God.
Whoa. Mmm. Oh, this is so good.
Oh my God. Oh, so good. Thank you, Chef Don.
Okay, cool. This is it. Don't forget, let us know in the comments. The recipe is in the directions below. You definitely have to subscribe and you also have to like us. And we just know that this recipe is, oh my goodness, can't even eat it all, but it's so delicious. Remember, it's simple and what?
Delicious.
Yeah!